Today we're going to make a quick video of how to remove the driver's side tail light on a 2002 Honda CR-V. Alright, the things that you're going to be needing is going to be a Phillips and a flathead. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use the flathead to pry these open here, just like so, and get them out, just like so. Don't want to break this little clip. This one is already gone. Go ahead and put our Phillips in here and drive these out. Apply some pressure because this motherfucker has balls. Make sure you grab all your screws so that they don't roll away. Might want to use both hands. Once you have that done, just go ahead and pull on the light backwards, and there it is. Now we just undo all these light bulbs and the whole assembly comes out. Sweet. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you remove the driver's side tail lights, whatever, on a 2002 Honda CR-V. There you are. Thank you for watching. Boom. Please like and subscribe.